we will discuss the multiple ways that we can remove letters from a string using Python.
In this video, we will see multiple ways that we can remove letters from a string or replace from a string using Python. So let's start. So I am declaring a string as my testing word, and I want to replace this my keyword, my word, from the string. So for that I am declaring this my in another variable to replace equal to my. Now I am just executing this part. So now method 1. So I am using a replace keyword to replace. So m1 equal to my string dot replace of to replace, that is to replace keyword with my string. Let us print this and see how it looks. So this is m1. I am just printing m1. So you can see that my got replaced. So this the replace keyword, this replace method replaces a specified phrase with another specified phrase. So the my is replaced with a blank string. Now this method 2, m2 equal to my string and 2 colon and nothing is there. So its first letter is 1 and second is 2. After the 2, everything needs to be displayed. Let us run this one. Now I am going to print m2. Control enter. So the testing word. So what it means is, this is called slices. The operator slices apart from the sequence object such as list or tuple or a string. Actually it takes two arguments. First is the index of the start of the slice, and the second is the index of the end of the slice. As the end is 0, we want to end a string, we didn't mention anything, and these both are optional. If the first operand is omitted, then it will take the default as 0. So we learned two methods of replacing string. Next I will give the method as method 3, adding a cell. m3 is equal to my string dot partition my then 2. Now we will first execute this and then print m3. Control enter. So still the testing word we will get the testing underscore word. My got replaced. So what this partition means is this method searches for a specified string and splits the string into a tuple containing 3 elements. The first element contains the part before the specified string. The second element contains the specified string, and the third element contains the part after the string. So to see that, I will show you this example again. So my string dot partition dot my. So I am removing this 2. Now let us execute this. So you can see the first part, second part, and third part. This is what I say. So if you want, you can note it down. This is the first part element contains the part before the specified string, and the second part element contains the specified string, and the third part contains the part after the string. Now let us, so here we learn 3 methods. Now we will go with the fourth method, that is pure slice. m4 equal to slice of 2 comma 14. Let me execute this and let me print m4. So you can see slice 2, 14 and none. Now if I want to print this, I have to print like this. So what does it, my string is the string that we have here. Then slice, that is slice means 2 to 14 only we need. So when I run this, I will get the testing word. The first thing will get removed. So what is slice means is, slice object is used to specify how to slice a sequence. You can specify where to start the slicing and where to end. So you got slice 2 comma 14. We have to start from the 2 and then end with the 14. Now the next one is the fifth method that we are going to try is the regex. So first we need to import array. Then the method 5 I am taking as m5. m5 array sub or my word needs to be replaced with this blank with my string. Now let us execute this one, m5. Now print m5, control enter. This is the testing word. So this regular expression, right, returns a string obtained by replacing the leftmost non-overlapping occurrence of the pattern in the string. So that is how we can do this. And the last way, I am going for method 6, which showing as m6. So m6, I am just executing this one and print m6, run. So the testing word, my string dot strip of my. So what this will do is it returns a copy of the string with both leading and trailing characters removed. So if there is my testing word under my, then the both end will get removed. So we learned 6 method of replacing string. The first is with a common replace, next with the slicing 2, and the other with partition. The partition we learned, when we partition this we will get 3 things: first element, second element, and the third element. Next option is slice. We will first make the what needs to be sliced. I kept as m4. Then my string for m4, this will take the slice whatever we declare, and we will get this. The other win is a regex re, and the last is the strip command. So these are the 4 ways that we can replace or remove an element from a string. Thank you.
Request you to please subscribe to this channel if you want to explore more on new gen technologies and programming languages.